Electrical power is essential to getting our work done, but it can pose serious dangers. This training is to teach you how to recognize and avoid electrical hazards you may be exposed to and familiarize you with safe electrical work practices. We will cover the following items: lockout, tagout, recognizing damaged electrical cords and electrical outlets, and the proper use of extension cords and power strips. Before starting in the department, you'll get electrical training specific to the equipment you use in your job. You might see equipment at your location that has a physical tag and/or lock on the machine. This is known as lockout, tagout. This means that the electrical or other power to the machine has been shut off to prevent it from accidental startup. We lock out, tag out equipment so there's no way another employee could use the equipment while it's being repaired. This keeps employees, vendors, or contractors safe while working on the machine. Only authorized employees may apply or remove lockout, tagout from equipment. If you see equipment that's been locked and tagged out, hands off for your safety and the safety of the people who might be working on that equipment. When using power strips or extension cords, make sure the plug and cord are in good condition. If damaged in any way, the strip or cord should not be used. Never plug one power strip or extension cord into another. This is called daisy chaining and has a potential to overload or damage the power strip or cord and could lead to a fire. Keep cords and cables out of and away from water to avoid electrical shorts, fire, and possible electrocution. Keep electrical cords out of areas with foot traffic. They can be a trip and fall hazard. If an electrical cord must temporarily run across a path of travel, place tape or a cover designed to cover the cord to prevent falls. To prevent electrical cords from being run over, pinched, or damaged, keep the cords away from forklift and/or EPJ traffic. Never pinch an electrical cord in a doorway, window, or other similar area which could compress or damage the cord, leading to a potential short. 3-prong plugs must be plugged only into 3-hole outlets. Never remove the third prong from a 3-prong plug, allowing the plug to fit into a 2-hole outlet. That third prong, which is called a ground, will protect you and equipment from dangerous, even fatal electric shock. Without that ground prong, an electrical short may travel through the equipment, damaging it, or through your body, possibly killing you. Polarized plugs have one blade wider than the other. When plugged into an outlet, polarized plugs reduce the chance of electric shock. Never force a polarized plug into a non-polarized outlet. Always plug and unplug electrical cords by gripping the plug. If you pull or yank on the electrical cord, you risk damaging the cord, plug, or the outlet. You also risk damaging the wires behind the wall socket, which could cause a short. Exposed wiring or damaged insulation can increase the risk of electric shock or create a spark and cause a fire. If you notice an electrical cord is damaged, either discard it or red tag it for repair. Costco employees, except those designated, may not work on electrical equipment and circuits rated at 50 volts or more. If you use or notice electrical equipment which is not operating correctly or won't operate at all, report this to a manager or supervisor. Do not try to correct the problem yourself. You risk damaging the equipment further and, more important, harming yourself.